In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear brakes on your Ford Expedition. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 6 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Remove the black caps. And it'll expose our caliper fasteners. Using a 7mm hex bit, we're going to remove the caliper bolts. We're going to use a flat blade screwdriver and go where these pins are, and we're going to push them and make sure they're not contacting the caliper bracket. Then we can pull our caliper out. Take the pads out of the caliper and pull towards you, and pull the pins out of the cup and remove the pad. The same thing on this side. Then using a hook, I'm going to hang the caliper so that there's no tension on this hose. We're going to remove the rotor. Using a wire brush, we're going to clean the hub. We're going to install the rotor backwards. Use a bit of brake parts cleaner and spray the surface. Flip it over. Do the same thing on this side. Using a little bit of brake lube, we're going to hit the pads where they're going to slide on this caliper. I'm also going to put a little bit of lube where the piston is going to sit. Install the pad into the caliper. Make sure it's fully seated. And we can slide the next one in, just like that. And we can install our assembly. We're going to start at the top and then twist down. Make sure your pins aren't hitting the bracket or the knuckle. Get the pins started. Snug them down. Torque them to 28 foot-pounds. Install the caps. I'm going to spray the face of the rotor with a little bit of copper spray. This will help the wheel not stick. Install the wheel and get the lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the lug nuts to 150 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.